Ever called a bison a buffalo? You're not alone. Let's set the record straight. First off, bison and buffalo are not the same. Bison have big humps on their shoulders while buffalo don't. Think of bison as the bodybuilders of the plains. Bison live in North America and Europe. But buffalo? They're chillin' in Africa and Asia, so next time you see one, you'll know. Also, bison have thick, shaggy fur, perfect for cold winters. Buffalo? Not so much. They've got smooth skin. Still confused? Just remember, bison equals North America plus hump. Buffalo equals Africa plus no hump. Easy peasy.